Doug Wyllie, Police Magazine, here at Industry Day at the Range in Boulder City, Nevada, here with Cody, with Walther. Cody, you've got some exciting new stuff, particularly with regards to this particular firearm here at SHOT Show 2020.
Yeah, we're really excited to launch the new Q4 steel frame. If you don't know, last year we launched the Q5 match steel frame, kind of driven for competitive use and things like that, but really Walther throughout time and history has just been a concealed carry duty gun focused company. You look at going back to the PP, PPK, P38, things like that. So what we wanted to do was take everything we learned from the Q5 match steel frame and grab all the performance of that and put it into a better concealed carry and duty option. So the Q4 steel frame, if you look at it, 40-ounce steel frame gun, striker fired, 15-round mag capacity. So great for just carrying inside the waistband or duty use. But some of the differences we made and kind of tailored it a little bit more towards law enforcement was, if you look at the beaver tail compared to the rest, we actually trimmed that beaver tail down, optimized it for duty use for level 3 safari land. So when you pop it in your safari land, pull that hood over the top, look at that beaver tail, it really matches the contour where that hood is, and it's in perfect, get the most beaver tail you can, but still have that, which increases your performance coming from things like that. To the performance duty texture on the gun, what we wanted was a texture that was aggressive enough to, while you're sweating, it's wet, whatever, you can get just a really positive grip on it, but it's not going to tear up your clothes, tear up your skin if you're concealed carrying, any of that. It's got to be the right balance, and we feel like we perfected it with that. But the weight distribution on the steel frames, where you get all your performance out of it. This gun is really for the people that want just every advantage in their gun as possible. Look at how we machine that frame to distribute the weight. It's just really going to help with recoil reduction. So you can split times, speed up, and get a lot faster. Consistency is going to be there. So we're really excited. There's two options for it too. There's an iron sight only. It comes with phosphoric 3-dot sights. MSRP is $12.99. The Optics Ready platform, which is growing trend.
Red dots.
Yes, definitely growing. We have one of those options also. It's $13.99 on that gun. So you have.
And the only difference is just the slide.
Yeah, it's just a slide. Just build it. Your optic, different plate options, whatever dot. Trichicon, Leupold, Acro, all different options.
Excellent. And law enforcement's getting pretty excited about seeing this coming to market.
We are. We've been making a very, very big push into law enforcement over the last couple of years. And it's just another one to get in there. And I think you're going to see the guys that, like I said, care about having the absolute most performance out of their gun. This is a gun for them.
Cody, thanks a lot for your time. Good luck. Have a great SHOT Show.
Yes, thank you.
Doug Wyllie, Police Magazine.